With Glendale's desert climate bringing intense sunshine, high temperatures, and warm evenings nearly year-round, homeowners are always looking for ways to keep their homes cooler and more efficient. While windows often get the most attention, your patio doors play an equally important role in controlling heat transfer, reducing drafts, and maintaining overall comfort. If your current patio doors are old, difficult to open, or poorly sealed, upgrading to an energy-efficient model can make a dramatic difference in your home's performance. Here are the top benefits Glendale homeowners gain from installing modern, energy-efficient patio doors. Lower cooling costs during Glendale's hot summers. Glendale's summers can easily push your air conditioning system into overdrive. Older patio doors, especially aluminum sliders or doors with single-pane glass, allow significant heat into the home, forcing your AC to work harder. Energy-efficient patio doors combat this with double or triple pane insulated glass low-E coatings that reflect heat. Argon gas fills for improved insulation. Thermal breaks in the frame to reduce heat conduction. These features dramatically reduce the amount of heat entering your home, helping you maintain cooler indoor temperatures while lowering monthly energy bills. Improved indoor comfort all year long. A major advantage of energy-efficient patio doors is the consistent comfort they provide. By minimizing heat gain in summer and reducing heat loss in winter, these doors help stabilize indoor temperatures. You'll enjoy fewer hot spots near the patio door, a more even temperature throughout your home, less glare from direct sunlight, reduced drafts and air infiltration. This consistent comfort enhances your living spaces, especially areas connected to patios, decks, or backyards. Advanced UV protection for your home's interiors. Glendale's abundant sunshine is beautiful, but the UV rays that come with it can be harsh on your home's interior finishes. Furniture, flooring, artwork, and window treatments can fade prematurely from constant sun exposure. Energy-efficient patio doors use low-E coatings to block a significant percentage of harmful UV rays while still allowing natural light to shine through. This protects your home's interior and helps your decor last much longer. Enhanced noise reduction. Energy-efficient patio doors provide more than insulation against heat. They also help block unwanted outside noise. Whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, or neighborhood activity, the improved glass thickness and tight weather seals help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. For Glendale homeowners living near busy streets or commercial areas, this is a major benefit. Reduced air leaks and better sealing. Poorly sealed patio doors can allow warm, dusty desert air to seep into your home. This not only affects comfort but also impacts indoor air quality. Modern patio doors offer high-quality weather stripping, precision-engineered frames, stronger, more airtight seals, smooth gliding operation that maintains a tight closure. This ensures your home stays cooler and cleaner, especially during windy or dusty conditions. Increased home value and curb appeal. Energy-efficient patio doors boost both the appearance and value of your Glendale home. With sleek modern designs, larger glass panels, and smooth operation, these doors create a seamless connection between your indoor and outdoor living spaces. Homebuyers also appreciate lower utility bills, improved comfort, durable, low-maintenance materials, long-term performance. This makes energy-efficient patio doors a high-value upgrade with great return on investment. Long-lasting durability. Designed for Glendale's climate. Desert climates can be hard on traditional patio door materials. Heat, direct sunlight, and dust can cause older doors to warp, fade, or break down. Energy-efficient patio doors are built with durable, weather-resistant materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, or composite frames that withstand intense conditions. This durability helps ensure your doors look beautiful and operate smoothly for many years. Final thoughts for Glendale homeowners. Energy-efficient patio doors offer a perfect blend of comfort, performance, and style. From reducing cooling costs and blocking UV rays to improving indoor comfort and boosting home value, these modern doors provide benefits you can feel every day.